Welcome to week 4 of the Living Well with Pain yoga workshop. Start by drawing your attention to your breath, your feet and pelvis, your foundation. Allow the belly to be soft as you draw air in through the nose, all the way down into the base of the lungs, and slowing the exhale down to the count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Today we'll be moving from the chair down towards the mat. So as you exhale, turning round and bringing the left knee down towards the mat and the right foot planted in front of you, coming into a kneeling position. Inhale, sweep the arms up by the ears, and exhale, placing them back down on the mat again. Bringing the right knee to meet the left. Inhale, the left foot in front, coming to kneel on the right knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up by the ears, and exhale, placing the hands back down and the left knee to meet the right. As you exhale, placing the forearms onto the chair and perhaps resting the forehead onto the arms. And with each exhale, allowing the back to soften and the sit bones to rest down towards the heels, lengthening through the spine, surrendering down towards the mat. Holding here for a number of breaths, allowing everything to soften and surrender. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, placing the right hand followed by the left hand down onto the mat, and walking the right knee followed by the left knee out behind to rest in tabletop position. Now we're drawing our attention to the movement of our pelvis and spine. As you inhale, allow the crown to drop down towards the mat and the tailbone to tuck in. And as you exhale, drawing the gaze up in front of you and the pelvis to tilt forwards. Inhale as you come to cat, allowing the crown to surrender down towards the mat and the tailbone to tuck in. And as you exhale, coming into cow, bringing the gaze forwards. Now here's a good place to practice pranayama 4, lion's breath. So as you come into tabletop position, take a deep breath in through the nose, closing the eyes, open the mouth wide, stick the tongue out, take a deep breath out. As you inhale, reaching the fingertips of the right hand up towards the sky. And on the exhale, threading the right hand below the armpit on the left-hand side to thread the needle. Inhale, place the right hand in front of you, and the left hand up towards the sky. And on the exhale, threading the left hand underneath the right arm to thread the needle. Inhale, place the left hand in front of you, coming back into tabletop position. Walking the hands towards your knees, coming into a kneeling position. And inhale, sweep the arms up by the ears, lengthening through the spine, gazing towards your fingertips. On the exhale, bring the hands behind your lower back and allow a little extension into the lower back. Inhale, sweep the arms up by the ears. And exhale, reaching over towards the right-hand side, opening up through the left side of your rib cage. Inhale to center. Exhaling down towards the left-hand side, opening up through the right side of your rib cage. Inhale to center. And exhale, coming back down onto the hands and knees. As you inhale, reaching the left hand in front of you and the right leg behind you, coming into alternate Superman. Holding here for a moment. With each inhale, lengthening through the spine. And with each exhale, seeing if you can draw the right heel a little out further behind you and the left fingertips a little further in front. On the exhale, placing the left hand and the right knee back down on the mat. And on the inhale, reaching the right hand and the left leg out behind you. Once again, with each inhale, lengthening through the spine. And with each exhale, seeing if you can bring the left heel and the right fingertips a little further out in front. On the exhale, placing the right hand and the left knee back down on the mat. Walking the right knee and the left knee behind you a little bit. Bringing the energy into the elbows as you softly bend the elbows. And then sit back onto the heels, resting in child posture. Bringing the forehead down towards the mat, or perhaps resting the forehead on your folded arms. Walking your knees to the full mat's width, allowing your hips to surrender down towards the heels, and the spine to lengthen, to soften, and to surrender. Holding here for a few breaths, until returning on the inhale back into tabletop position on both hands and both knees. Walking up towards the top of the mat, inhale the right foot in front of you. This time allowing the right knee to come towards the chair, opening up through the left side of your hip. As you exhale, bringing the right knee to meet the left, and inhale the left foot in front, and bringing the left knee towards the chair, opening up the right side of your hip. On the inhale, bringing the right foot to meet the left, leaning through the chair, and coming to sit back onto the chair. And here finishes week 4 of your yoga practice.